Starting the 1st of September 2025, all foreign nationals are required to register their arrival and departure from Laos through the Laos Digital Immigration Form. Welcome to We the Travelers, where we bring you unfiltered travel information. And today, I'll guide you to register your arrival and departure in Laos. To register your arrival and departure, visit Laos official immigration website. I will add the website link in the description. Click the Submit Online button to start the process. You can see two options here, the Departure Register and the Arrival Register. Select Arrival Register. Select your arrival checkpoint and the date of your arrival. Enter your personal information. Enter your passport information and upload your scanned photograph and passport. Enter your travel information, like the purpose of entry, the mode of travel, and the country from which you are traveling. Click Continue to go to the next page. On the next page, enter your visa information if you have one. If you are planning to get one on arrival, select the Visa on Arrival option. Note that this is your arrival and departure registration for Laos. This is not your visa. You would also need a visa to visit Laos. I have a separate video on how to apply for Laos e-visa, which you can check out. I will also add the link in the description. Once you have filled in your visa information, click Confirm and move to the next page. On the next page, add your accommodation details. Click Confirm to go to the next page. You will get your code to provide during your immigration at the airport. Take a screenshot or download the code by clicking the Download PDF button. Once you have downloaded your code, click Confirm. Similarly, you can register your departure as well. Go back to the home page, click the Submit Online button, and select Departure Register. Enter your departure checkpoint details. Enter your personal information. Enter your passport information. Click Confirm, and you will get a code similar to the arrival code. Download the code as a PDF or take a screenshot of the code to provide it at immigration during departure. Once you have downloaded your code, click Confirm. And that completes your arrival and departure registration for Laos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, I'd be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to We the Travelers for more unfiltered travel information. See you in the next one.